Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to factory reset the MetaQuest 3. Chapter 1. Reset MetaQuest 3 from the app. We will start by opening the MetaQuest app on our phone where we have our MetaQuests linked. Afterwards, we will click on the menu option and then on the headset settings option. Here we will have to enter the advanced settings option. Then we will click on Factory Reset Settings and confirm the process with the Reset option. Please note that all your data within the MetaQuest will be deleted. Chapter 2. How to Hard Reset MetaQuest 3. To force the MetaQuest to reset, we are first going to turn them off completely. Then, with the glasses on, we are going to hold down the power and volume down buttons at the same time for a few seconds until we see them turn on. A menu will appear in update mode. Here we will use the volume buttons to scroll and use the power button to accept the option. In this case, we would select the factory reset option and accept. Finally, to perform the factory reset, we would have to select the Yes, Erase, and Factory Reset option and accept with the power button to perform the reset. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.